Grand Theft Auto Online has a huge world where players can do a lot of cool things. But in GTA 5 Online, players have to make more money than in the GTA 5 story mode. Most new players don't know that there are quick and easy ways to make money in GTA 5 Online, which is a shame. There are many ways to make more money in GTA 5 Online, whether you want to buy the fastest car in GTA 5, muscle cars in GTA 5, or the fastest motorcycles in GTA 5. For example, you could make a lot of money at casinos, races, and other events, such as well-paying heists. With more in-game money, players can buy things like the fastest GTA 5 cars, amazing penthouses, good-looking muscle cars, fast bikes, and some good guns. So we made a guide to show you how to make money in GTA 5 Online in the year 2023. So let's get started right away with the same. How to make money in GTA 5 Online 2023 more quickly. How do you make millions of dollars in GTA 5 Online? This is the question every new GTA Online player has when they first start playing. Well, you've come to the right place if you're one of those players. Number 1. Heists. Fastest way to make money in GTA 5 Online. Heists are, without a doubt, the quickest and easiest way to make money in GTA 5 Online. There are several heists in the game, and players can do them all with their friends. Heists can cost a lot to set up, but the money you get for completing them is worth it. Plus, the money you get fills your pockets right away and helps you make money faster in GTA 5 Online. For example, it costs almost $100,000 to set up the most popular Pacific Standard heist. But if you do the job well, you and your friends can earn $500,000, easy difficulty, $1 million, medium difficulty, or $125 million, hard difficulty. Other than that, you could easily get a lot of money from heists in GTA 5 Online. Most of the time, Lester Crest is the person to talk to if you want to know what's going on with all the heists in GTA 5 Online. Also, if you want to know which heist in GTA 5 Online pays the most, we made an article that ranks all of the highest paying ones. Number 2. Special and vehicle cargo jobs. In GTA 5 Online, you'd have to be a CEO and own an office and warehouse to make money from special and vehicle cargo. But one of the fastest ways to make money in GTA Online is through the cargo business. With special cargo, it's easy for players to make $300,000, $500,000 per hour. Also, you can take care of cargo in between big heists. As soon as you start using special and vehicle cargo, things will become pretty easy. For vehicle cargo, for example, you'll need to keep stolen cars in your warehouse. Then, to keep the business going, you have to sell these cars. Number 3. Gun running/motorcycle club. The gun running business lets players buy bunkers so they can start selling weapons. Players have to sign up as a CEO or a VIP before they can start trading. Players can also buy a mobile operations center, which is a place to store vehicles, through this business. Also, the same place is used to study vehicles and weapons and change them. Then in GTA Online, there is the Motorcycle Club mission. It seems that players can start their own motorcycle club by recruiting other players and becoming the MC president. Before they can do any of this, players must first buy a clubhouse property from the Maze Bank Foreclosures website. Once everything is set up, players can use the MC to sell all kinds of illegal goods and make good money. This is one of the fastest ways to make money in GTA Online. Number 4. Work for VIPs. VIP work could be one of the best ways to make money if you like to play GTA Online for a long time. Once you've signed up as a VIP or CEO, you can use the interaction menu to find VIP work. VIP work is different from special and vehicle cargo in that players can only do it when they are invited. But if you want to do some co-op jobs in free mode, it's one of the easiest ways to make money in GTA Online in 2023. Number 5. Time trials. Time trials are a part of GTA 5 Online's free mode and can be played there. The goal is to run in short races and win so that you can get money and a good name. Time trials are easy to find compared to other ways to make money in GTA 5 Online. Also, if you win some races, you can get as much as $50,000, which is a huge amount. So time trials are a fast way to make money in GTA Online if you know how to drive well in GTA 5. You can also use cheat codes in GTA 5 to make money quickly in the game. How to make money online in GTA 5. Wrap up. These are the best ways to make money quickly in GTA 5 Online. You could also make money in GTA Online by doing other jobs, but the ones on the list are more likely to make money. Making millions in GTA Online isn't easy, So if you want to live a luxurious virtual life in GTA Online, you should start working hard.